Welcome to the Checkout Guide. Offering discount in Shopify is easy, but over discounting can quickly reduce your profit. For example, a single percentage coupon can become a very large discount on expensive orders. So in this video, I'll show you how to prevent over discounting in Shopify using Next Discount app. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First, to create the discount, we can go to the app section. Here, click on Next Discount. Then click on Create New Discount. Here, the discount type I choose as discount code. Then here, give the code. Here, I give limit 10. Then the percentage as 10 percentage. Then the capping amount, this is the important settings. The capping amount prevent over discounting by limiting the maximum discount customer can receive. So here we can give a value, that is here I give $80. So it will stop at $80. Then next, discount apply for all customer, all product. Then no minimum purchase. Customer is eligibility all customer. This you can select. Here I select limit to 1 use per customer. Then here set the date, start date to the end date. Okay. Now product discount combined with, here I select all options. Now that's it. Click on save. Okay, it has been saved. Now we can go to the store. Okay, next in product section, we can click on any product. Then here the amount is 2000. Here I add to quantity, click on add to cart. Then click on this cart icon. Here the total amount is 4000. So if we giving 10% as off, actually it should give $400 as the discount value. So let's apply the discount code here and let's see how much it saved. Click on apply. Okay, now it only saved $80. So that's because here we set the capping amount, so it limit the discount value. So that's it. That's how you can prevent over discounting in Shopify using the Next Discount app and keep your discount under control. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.